How to add and edit your Google Chrome homepage shortcuts. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily customize your shortcuts on Google Chrome. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome app. As you can see, I don't have any shortcuts on my home screen. I just have the big Google search bar. So in order to get the shortcuts, you can get it from the top right corner by pressing on the three lines. And here you have an option to customize all of your Chrome settings. You can find shortcuts here, but if you don't see it, then what you can do is simply go back and click on this button, Customize Chrome. Here you'll be able to select your theme, your color format, and then finally shortcuts. So go ahead and toggle this on and it will show you your shortcuts. There are also two options. So this is my shortcuts. What Chrome used to have is the most visited sites. So it used to show you all of your most visited sites, but many people were complaining that it will show you your entire browsing history as such. So Chrome gave you this option to customize your own shortcut. So first thing you do is if you want to add a new shortcut, click on it and then just paste the address bar and name it. So let's just name it YouTube. And on the URL, let's just enter youtube.com. Then click on done. And as you can see, if we press on it, it will direct us to youtube.com. There are other shortcuts as well. So if you want to edit any particular shortcut, you can just click on the three dots here and then edit shortcut. You can edit the URL. You could also edit its name and then click on done. So if I just click on this shortcut right here, it will take me directly to my Facebook. So these are the things that you can do to customize your shortcut. If you want to remove them, you can just go ahead and click on it and then click on remove. And if you want to add more, you can add as many shortcuts as you want on your homepage. That is it for this video, guys. If this was helpful to you, I'll consider giving this a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.